Hi all, I'm here today at our beloved Redhouse. I'm sure that most of you are aware that on Wednesday the 14th of January 26, at a full council meeting, councillors unanimously voted to bring the Redhouse back into council ownership. We know that this historic building is really important to so many of you. It has long been a priority of ours to see the Redhouse return to the council, a goal we have diligently and consistently pursued for over a year, demonstrating our unwavering commitment to its future. Now that this has been approved by full council, we can begin the legal process of taking official ownership of the building. This is a fantastic step forward for the Redhouse and for our county borough. Personally, I'm over the moon with this outcome, and I promise I'll keep you all updated as things progress, so watch this space. Yesterday marked the official launch of the Tour de France 2027, and guess what? On the 4th of July 27, our very own county borough will be part of the Grand Depart Stage 3. The cyclists will be starting in Welshpool and making their way to Cardiff, and they'll be riding right through Merthyr Tudful on their way to the finish line. This is a massive deal for Merthyr Tudful, and we can't wait to welcome this incredible event. We'll be sharing lots more details as we get closer to the big day, so keep an eye out for our updates. That's all from me this week, so have a great weekend. Diolch.